Hello guys, today I will tell you how to swap USDT for TRX in Trust Wallet. So let's get started. So first what you need to do is open your Trust Wallet on your mobile device and ensure you are logged into your account. Locate and tap the swap option which appears prominently on your main screen. In the UPay section, type in USDT and select the Tether option from the results. In the UGET section, type in TRX or TRONIX and select the appropriate option. The application will display the current conversion rate between these cryptocurrencies. Enter the specific amount of USDT you wish to convert to TRX for this transaction. If your desired currency doesn't appear, use the alternative method through browser. Tap the browser option at the bottom right corner of your Trust Wallet screen. In the search bar, type pancakeswap.finance and select the correct website from results. Connect your Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap by following the on-screen prompts. Click on Trade, then switch BNB to USDT Tether in the payment section. In the You Get section, type in TRX to specify your desired cryptocurrency. This alternative method also allows you to convert USDT to TRX successfully. Both methods provide straightforward ways to exchange your cryptocurrencies within Trust Wallet. And that's how you swap USDT for TRX in Trust Wallet.